Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Finally, no more secrets, the wait is finally over. According to the latest available data, the new upcoming Google Pixel 10 Pro and Pixel 10 Pro XL smartphones are fully declassified, long before the official announcement. A few days after revealing the specs for the base Google Pixel 10, Android Headlines has shared the specs for the high-end Google Pixel 10 Pro and Pixel 10 Pro XL. Let's dive into the video for full specs and launching details. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Google Pixel 10 Pro and Pixel 10 Pro XL will be equipped with displays with a diagonal of 6.3 and 6.8 inches respectively. The screens are based on LTPO OLED matrices with a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz and a peak brightness of up to 3000 CDM2. The display resolution is 2856 by 1280 pixels and 2992 by 1344 pixels respectively. Both models use a protective Gorilla Glass Victus 2 coating. The smartphones are equipped with Google's proprietary Tensor G5 processors and 16 GB of RAM. The amount of built-in memory will vary depending on the model. Google Pixel 10 Pro will offer versions with 128, 256, 512 GB and 1 TB of permanent memory. However, as in the case of the Pixel 9 Pro, the 1 TB modification will probably only be available in certain color options. In turn, Pixel 10 Pro XL will not receive a version with 128 GB of built-in memory. The camera set has also remained virtually unchanged. The smartphones will be equipped with a 50-megapixel main module, a 48-megapixel sensor for wide-angle shooting, and a 48-megapixel telephoto camera with 5-fold optical zoom. The front panel will still have a 42-megapixel camera. The wide-angle and telephoto lenses support macro photography. The telephoto lens provides better quality due to its greater aperture, but it cannot focus as close as the wide-angle camera. For macro photography, the minimum distance is about 10 cm for the telephoto lens, and about 2 cm for the wide-angle lens. The Pixel 10 Pro will have a 4870 mAh battery, which is surprisingly 100 mAh smaller than the standard Pixel 10. This is likely due to the use of a larger vapor chamber cooling system compared to the Pixel 9 Pro. The Pixel 10 Pro XL will have the largest battery in the series, at 5200 mAh. Google has also equipped the Pixel 10 Pro and Pixel 10 Pro XL with more efficient chargers, at 29 watts and 39 watts respectively. Both new products support wireless charging up to 15 watts thanks to Qi2 technology. According to Android Headlines, the Google Pixel 10 series is still expected to launch on August 28th, with the devices set to be officially announced on August 20th. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.